Google Pixel 3a and 3a XL launched last year on May 7. We have been eagerly waiting for the Pixel 4a to arrive this year, with rumors initially suggesting that Google was going to announce it during Google I/O. That event was cancelled due to the pandemic, and the phone kept getting further delayed. Photos of the phone retail packaging leaked back in early April, and we are already more than 2 months since then. The latest report comes from John Prosser via Twitter. According to the tipster, the Google Pixel 4a has been again delayed after the phone was expected to be announced sometime in July and released in August. Prosser reports there will still be a launch event taking place on July 13, but a source shows that a black variant won't launch until October 22. At the same time, a new barely blue color option is being eliminated altogether. The Pixel 4a is expected to arrive with 64 GB of internal storage and running a Snapdragon 730 CPU and 6 GB of RAM. It got a 5.81-inch OLED screen with FHD Plus resolution and a 12.2 MP main camera with an 8 MP selfie camera in the punch hole cutout. There also a 3080 mAh battery, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and the 4a will no longer include the Active Edge feature.